Tonight only on Eyewitness News, broken promises. Decisions like tonight's by the Providence City Council have far-reaching effects.
When you become a fireman or a public servant, they tell you if you get sick or you get hurt, we're going to take care of you. And there's a letter right there that's stating that they're not going to help me.
He fought fires for years in Central Falls, but now he's battling something much bigger. Retirees and pensioners may be holding their breath tonight after seeing our story.
Central Falls retirees were the first to feel the sting of the bankruptcy. Now, with 5 other cities and towns in dire financial straits, they may not be the last.
That's right. Their pensions have been cut, and so has their health coverage. And for one man, it's an especially hard blow.
Come on, guys.
Paul Gagnon, a Central Falls retiree, will be the first to tell you cancer is trying to kill him.
I'm on chemo the rest of my life. It's since spread to my bones and my lymph nodes in my lower extremities.
It's the same disease that struck his wife Karen in 2004. He lost her to breast cancer. Now he and his 2 teenage daughters are reliving the nightmare all over again. Only this time, he has less money to fight it.
Now I'm at the point, halfway through the month, I have no money in my checkbook.
The city of Central Falls, quote, accepted Paul got the cancer on the job as a firefighter and gave him a disability pension. But that was before the bankruptcy. He lost almost a third of his pension and a chunk of his medical benefits were cut. Paul picked up work in West Warwick 5 years ago when his wife was diagnosed and is using that city's medical coverage. It's something, he says, but not as good as what he had in Central Falls before the bankruptcy. He's working 2 24-hour shifts a week in the midst of battling stage 4 prostate cancer and grueling chemo treatments. But with all the prescriptions,
These are the pills I take to keep going every day.
doctor's office visits, and a $4,000 deductible, he says he's drowning in debt.
I had a CAT scan done. It was $1,000. I have to come up with that. I'm making monthly payments on it.
We asked Central Falls Receiver's Office if there was any extra money available. Central Falls released this statement. Retiree benefits as well as pensions changed after the bankruptcy. The city's policy has been to make no exceptions to uniform application of the restructured benefits to any retiree. Paul wonders how he'd make it without the extra work in West Warwick, or how anyone would in his situation.
They'd lose everything. They'd be on the streets.
Are you worried that's going to happen?
Yes, I am.
There are days Paul does feel good, but he doesn't know how long he can keep it up or what he'll do for money once he can't. The city of Central Falls was helping Paul with his medical insurance costs by picking up his monthly co-share payment before the bankruptcy. But after the bankruptcy, the city had to stop. Right now on our website, you can use our interactive timeline to break down how things got so bad in Central Falls. You'll also find a complete summary of how benefits changed for city workers after bankruptcy was filed. It's all online right now at WPRI.com.